rock and roll. We're here with a SVJ63. Dave's gonna explain to you what 63 means.
It's the, no, you explain. No, you explain.
He said it was the day he made the tractor in 1963.
It's when Lamborghini came out with their first cars, 1963. So this is one of 63. It's an SVJ. So technically there's 963 SVJs in total.
963?
SVJs in total,
oh,
but this is a 63. So it's 900 regular SVJ, 63 of the special edition ones.
Special edition, full carbon roof. I mean, thing is just
carbon, except what you were mentioning.
Yeah, front lip's missing carbon.
Front lip is missing carbon. And this would be cool in carbon. I'm sure Novitec has,
nice.
right?
Yeah, they have the little covers.
Yeah, we could do that. What's ALA?
ALA?
Yeah, ALA.
ALA.
What is it?
Cool in Spanish.
So we've got the IPE titanium exhaust on this thing. Look at the tips, please. Titanium blue tips. They have SVJ. It's like a double tip. And the SVJ little engraving right here. Man, I don't want to put my face that close if Ben gets in the car right now because the flame will burn me. I don't know if you can look inside, or we have B-roll of it in gold. That's a special upgraded finish that IPE offers for the titanium systems. This is the very first SVJ in the world with an IPE titanium exhaust. IPE actually sent it over to us. They're still asking us a couple things like, hey, can you measure this, this, and that? Send us some videos. So this is gonna be pretty fun. I'm gonna have Ben jump in the car right now and do some revs for you guys.
Do it. Dave's not allowed to drive anything over 45 grand, so take this.
Be careful, Marvin. You might get flamed.
Another wrap, 63 done. I haven't seen many 63s even with an exhaust. First IPE ever, and many more to come. Stay tuned.
TRX is here! Our TRX is here! I feel like Oprah. Our TRX is here! How much horsepower does this have? Like 750? Oh, try not to get killed. Wow! Is this considered American muscle? Black with red stitching, red piping. Harman Kardon stereo. I love the fresh smell. Look at little TRX leather care guide. Let's see how fast this bad boy goes. Set of Anarchy wheels, probably a set of HRE wheels, 6-lug bolt pattern, so we'll do P161s. Or Anarchy AM36, Anarchy AM36S, or even a new wheel. We like to do that with HRE. Sometimes we'll build a brand new wheel for a new vehicle. What wheels are we doing?
I don't know yet.
You can only choose 3.
Huh?
You can only choose 3.
What do you mean?
P161, AM36, AM36S.
Yeah.
TR1 series.
Yeah. We gotta wait for the new 2-piece stuff to come out.
The new 2-piece stuff?
Yeah. Let's go jump it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on.
Well, I'll bring it over here.
He's bringing it now.
All right.
I almost got arrested with the Jaguar XJ220 video, but I'm too lazy to put a plate on now.
Yeah, I think we
Like-
can buy sequence.
No, I'm too lazy to put a plate on. I just want to jump this thing already. Let's just go get gas. This is a diesel? Can't turn on the AC because it's about to run out of gas. But you know what? I gotta see how fast this is, right?
I think we can make it.
That's stupid.
No, that surprised the hell out of me.
Oh my goodness, this is stupid. Oh my goodness. The body roll is insane. There's like 4 paddles. You see this break up right here? That's pretty cool. Look at that.
Why do you have 4 paddles?
I don't know. Let's see. Oh wow, they're like together. Because you got the little buttons here. You ready to floor it? Where's the launch control on here? TRX mode, what's this? Custom, mud sand, rock, Baja.
You got asphalt.
We're gonna have to do Baja when we go jump it. Doesn't want to get out of rock or Baja. Here we go, sport mode. What's the break-in period on this? It's gonna be 14 miles is the break-in period. Man, this thing is so torquey. It says traction control's off.
You should turn it on.
No. Did I blow it up already? Interesting. Doesn't feel that fast when you're rolling already. Off the line, if boogies to start moving the speed.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where all that power is, like off the line. Why didn't Ben move the car? Are we jumping?
We're gonna jump the hill.
I don't want to move the Porsche. Actually, we might want to for video purposes.
Somebody put all the debris in the middle of our jump. Let's go. Car, you want to dump the debris?
I don't have a truck.
But there's a whole thing of debris. Where the
Move it.
How are you gonna move that?
You have Geo, like push it. It's just like branches. Just branches.